First on the list is Supply and Demand by Frank Miller. Now, this book is probably aimed more so at beginners or intermediate traders. I probably wouldn't recommend it for advanced traders purely because it's quite simple. But some things that I did find interesting actually in this book was, one, obviously how he found supply and demand zones, but not only that, on how he actually rated them. So he rated them based on how strong the move was from the zone. Not only that, how, what time frame he actually marked the zone up on, but also how fresh it was. So if it's been touched a few times, it was a lot weaker. This book helped me kind of judge my zones, whether or not I was strongly feeling a trade come into the zone, or whether or not I was being a little bit more cautious based on that it might not have been a fresh zone, or it was a shorter time frame zone. So this was very helpful in that sense. Something else that Frank actually talks about that I found helpful was marking the area between zones into 3 quadrants. So he talks about finding different entries based on that. So let's say he's marked up a demand zone on a 30-minute chart, but he missed the entry in that area, but price is still laying around in that lower third. He would then look at a lower time frame to get an entry from that point. Now, I found that helpful because I work full time, so I don't have a lot of time to trade. So this helped me get into trades if I've missed the initial entry, which I found very, very helpful. So that's, I guess, 2 things that I like about this book.